My dear viewers, you see, right now I'm standing on in the densely jungle. You see, wherever you look and you see and you enjoy natural beauty. Here you see, this is paddy land, belongs to us, and over there my two elder brothers are working right now, and also they are cutting our paddy rice. You see, okay, and right now I've come here to see. Here you see, in densely jungle, and here dozens of foxes are making sound, and also they were quarreling and also making sounds loudly. Okay, you can hear sounds loudly. Okay, I think so, and we were enjoying. Okay, okay, you see, and over there my eldest brother, you see, coming here, and this is our paddy land. And today I have come to here and see and how is ripe. You see, reds and whites, I think so, and you know name of these reds and whites. I don't know exactly English name of these, but usually we know, and this is reds or whites, and this is catkins trees, whatever. And you see, over there, okay, you see, and we easily cultivate into this land.